Page 464, number 1. We're supposed to prove that vector RS and vector PQ are equivalent by showing they represent the same vector. So we're given that R is at point -4, 7, and S is at point -1, 5. And P is at the origin 0, 0, and Q is at the point 3, -2. So if we find the components of RS and PQ first, we can check to see if they have the same length. So RS is going to equal -1 plus 4 and then 5 minus 7, giving us the vector 3, -2. And then PQ is the vector 3 minus 0, and then -2 minus 0, which is 3, -2. So we can see that they are the same length because they have the same components. You also just want to do a quick sketch to make sure that they are in the same direction. So if I draw a little grid here and just roughly sketch each of them, RS would go from -4, 7 to -1, 5. So it would be kind of like that. There's my RS. And then PQ would go from 0, 0 to 3, -2. So it would look like that. Let me do that again. The software is not letting me do it. Okay, there it is. So you can see roughly they are in the same direction. So they are the same vector.